In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder in Notion. Notion is a powerful and flexible tool for organizing both work and personal tasks. And while it doesn't have traditional folders, you can easily create a folder-style layout to keep everything clean and organized. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to notion.so. Log into your Notion account. If you're new to Notion, you'll need to sign up first. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main workspace where all your pages are stored. Now, look at the left sidebar. This is where all your pages live. To create a folder, start by creating a new page. Click Add a new page and give it a name. For this example, you can simply name it Folder. This page will act as your folder. Next, hover over the page title and click Add Icon. Choose an icon that represents a folder. Using a folder icon makes the page easy to recognize, especially when your workspace starts to grow. Make sure to leave this page empty. Don't add text or content inside it. This page is meant to act as a container, not a regular document. Now go back to the left sidebar and find the pages you want to organize. Simply drag and drop those pages into the folder page you just created. Once pages are nested inside, you'll see a small arrow appear next to the folder page. You can click this arrow to expand or collapse the pages inside the folder. This keeps your sidebar clean, reduces clutter, and navigation much easier. And that's it. If this helps you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.